My aim in this segment is to find out about the culture of the fighting styles. I conducted my research into this topic around the Taunton area and found a place called Fightworks Academy located in the centre of Taunton. Their aim is to teach people all these incredible arts and the culture behind what they are learning. I also found an interest in this cultural sport myself. I often watch clips of the MMA fights on UFC's YouTube channel, as well as watching training tutorials so I can improve my skills. What I enjoy about the MMA training that I do is that it brings together different styles of fighting that originated from different cultures. By doing this for a while now, I have fully submerged myself into the different cultures, such as buying the clothing needed to train as well as enhancing my skills. To find out more, I interviewed Matt at the Fightworks Academy.
Hi, my name's Matt and I am the MMA and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu instructor at Fightworks. Okay, so the grappling art that I use as my main principal art is called Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and clearly by the title, it comes from Brazil. It originally originated from Japan, and Japanese Judo and Jiu-Jitsu instructors moved to Brazil, taught some Brazilian guys Jiu-Jitsu and Judo, and then they modified it into Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So it came over here in the mid-90s, and then it's developed since. So that's my main art. I try to train a number of arts. So at the moment I've restarted doing judo again. Love judo, and I also do another grappling system which we teach here called Sambo, which is a combination of judo and a lot of Russian folk wrestling. So I think the culture is really important. So it's a learning culture. So it's open-ended. You can't learn jiu-jitsu. So every time you think you've got a new hold, somebody else will develop a counter to that, which makes you train hard. And also it's the connection to the people you train with. So jiu-jitsu, you spend a lot of time trying to put each other in holds, trying to extend their arm or get their leg or trying to choke them. Clearly you're not trying to choke them unconscious, but you're trying to choke so the person gives up. And you build a connection with people. So through that sport, I've met loads and loads of people I'd never ever meet. You know, I've got friends that are in the Marines, I've got friends that are, do this, and guys that are dentists and all sorts of things. I'd never met any of those guys. I'd never met, can't see him, but I'd never met Charlie if it wasn't through the sport. So it's open-ended, and that's part of the camaraderie is one of the parts that I really enjoy. I enjoy spending time with people and passing on something that I love, which is grappling and MMA. So for me personally, I think that Taunton, not just Taunton, but I think people that train mixed martial arts or that train any martial art benefit greatly from it. I personally benefited greatly from training, and there is a culture about it. I mean, it brings people together. You get fit, you learn. I think we're so detached. We're detached from actual human contact a lot of time. We spend a lot of time on our phones, on email and stuff like that. So for me personally, I think it brings people together. It allows you to burn some energy out, and as I say to the guys, it satisfies your inner monkey from the time that we were, the time that we weren't so reliant on technology. We had to go out and hunt and gather and things like that. So yeah, I think it's very beneficial.
Fightworks is a local business in Taunton that is open to anyone and to all ages. For students, £35 a month, and for adults that are out of the education system, it's £60 a month for a few classes a week of your chosen fighting style. You can sign up by messaging them on their Facebook page, and they'll be there to answer any of your queries about signing up and the style that you're choosing. That's all from us at Fightworks. Back to you, Nathan, in the studio.